Evermore Farms is conveniently located right outside the heart of Bel Air, just 6 miles off of Route 95. You come to the community and it is just surrounded by trees. At Evermore Farms, we have a real sense of community. We have a 2-mile walking and jogging trail. There are sidewalks throughout the community. You'll see people outside, out and about, children outside playing. The final home sites have been released at Evermore Farms, and we have saved some of the best for last. We offer 10 different home styles here at Evermore Farms, ranging anywhere from 2,700 square feet all the way up to 4,200 square feet. The model that's featured at Evermore Farms is our beautiful Augusta model. It has a very open floor plan. The kitchen opens right up to the family room and also to the breakfast area. The kitchen has a beautiful 8-foot-long island for plenty of room to have your friends and family come and gather. This model does feature the owner suite on the main level. The Venetian bathroom consists of an oversized shower and a beautiful freestanding tub with a double vanity. We offer you over 1,500 ways to personalize your home, so everyone's going to select something just a little bit different. At Evermore Farms, there's not going to be any two houses the same. Whatever you're looking for, we have it here at Evermore Farms.